Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen. Blankita lifestyle.
Delicious.
Got the recipes for ya.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
In your tummy, tummy.
Got the recipes for ya.
Hello, my beautiful people. So for this recipe, you will be needing 3/4 cups of chopped walnuts, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, a dash of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 3 ripe bananas, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and maple syrup for drizzling. Let's do this! Alright, so for the first step, we're going to take a plate and take 1 banana at a time, mash it up with a fork until it's nice and smooth. You're going to repeat this until you complete this task with your 3 bananas. Ripe bananas are perfect for banana loaves because they give it that extra sweetness and tenderness that you want. I'm starting to add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So you see that the consistency gets a bit watery. That's completely normal. That's just the sugar melting into the banana mixture. And there you have it. Now we're going to add that into a large mixing bowl. Starts with the egg. Plop. And mix that up really well. You want to have it even, and I'm adding actually 4 tablespoons of vegan butter. You want to make sure you whisk that in well to your recipe. Add in your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to just add in 1/2 of the portion of my flour. Make sure you mix it well like that there's no clumps. Now I'm going in with the baking powder. Make sure you mix that in well. Like that you can have a consistent recipe. And you go in with the other 1/2 of your flour. It's better to mix it a little bit at a time, like that you really have a beautiful mixture to bake. Baking requires a lot of precision. See, just go nice and slow, make sure it's all nice and smooth, and then you can just set that aside. Oops, I forgot to tell you, you got to add in that dash of salt. Time to put it all together. I'm going to use a vegetable spray. So I'm spraying that all over evenly, and then I'm just going to add in some flour. Make sure it's all covered well. This is going to prevent it from sticking to your mold because you don't want that banana bread to stick when it's coming out of the oven. And now time for the walnuts. But you can also try with some chocolate chips or raisins. Now you're just going to pour it into the mold like that. And this is the fun part where we're using the maple syrup. So it's about 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. It's gonna bake into the crust of it. So delicious. Look at that, guys. It's yummy. We're gonna add that into a preheated oven at 380 degrees. Put that into the middle and bake it for 50 minutes. And voila, buen provecho. This was a video on how to make banana bread.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, here's some more that you can check out. Every Sunday at noon, I release a brand new video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Like that, you'll be notified as soon as one of my videos is released. Hope to hear from you soon. Enjoy!